Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check whether the Beautiful Soup library is present in your system or not. This trick also helps you determine the version number of the module. So, in order to do this, first open your VS Code and head on to the VS Code terminal. Then inside the VS Code terminal, you need to type in the following command, which is pip show Beautiful Soup 4. This will use the pip to show the details of this particular library. Once you have entered this, simply hit the enter button, and here you can see that it is showing me the name, the version, as well as the location of this particular package. So that means that the Beautiful Soup 4 library is present in your system. If it had not been the case, then it would have shown me a module not found message. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.